In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Zoom account on all devices. This is especially helpful if you've used a shared computer, misplaced a phone, or just want to make sure no old sessions are lingering. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to log out everywhere at once. Start by opening a new tab in your web browser and searching for Zoom. Look for the official site in the results. It typically appears at the top and includes the zoom.us domain with a secure padlock icon. Clicking the official result ensures you're accessing the correct web portal and not a third-party page. Once the site loads, sign in to your Zoom account. Use the Sign In option you normally use, whether that's your email and password, single sign-on through your organization, or a connected account like Google or Apple. If you're prompted for verification, complete that step so you land on your account's web dashboard. Inside your Zoom account, navigate using the menu. Click Settings from the navigation menu to access your account controls. If you don't immediately see settings, make sure you're in the account area rather than public pages, and expand the menu if it's collapsed on a smaller screen. Next, look for My Account if needed. Then choose Profile. This is where Zoom keeps your basic account information and some security-related options that affect all your signed-in devices. On the Profile page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Where You're Logged In or Signed In Devices. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your account type and Zoom's latest interface updates, but the meaning is the same. In this area, you'll see details about active sessions, such as the desktop app, the mobile app, and any browser sessions currently signed in with your account. When you're ready, click Sign Me Out of All Sessions. This action will remove your account from every device and browser session linked to it, ensuring that only you can sign back in where needed. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intend to do this. Confirm by selecting Sign Out or OK in the pop-up window. After confirmation, give the page a moment to update. The next time you open Zoom on any device, you'll be asked to sign in again. If you don't see the option or the section isn't visible, try refreshing the page, widening your browser window, or checking that you're on the correct profile area. If your account is managed by an organization, some options may be limited by admin settings.